Last week I had our daughter Alexis on the radio with me, and I was telling listeners about my experience of going to court on the week before, and I will, say it again because you know what I'm going to say, and that is and I'm happy to tell people that every day I wake up and I'm an early riser, and the first thing I do is I think about what my day is going to be like that day, and 99% of the times my first thought is, oh, this is going to be a great day. There's only just a few things that will make me say that otherwise, and that is having to go to court. And Alexis has, as our new probate attorney, is now handling a lot of those court hearings. A lot of those court hearings can be done via Zoom, but this was a situation where the court wanted to see me in person with our probate client. And the whole idea of getting in a car, driving to downtown, finding a parking space, going through the security, going up to the judge's chambers, waiting there for the judge and doing this, and it's just completely... It
was a little nerve-wracking.
It's nerve-wracking. You get anxious and don't really know which way it's going to go, and it just makes my otherwise perfect day
not so perfect.
Not the perfect day. And Alexis, volunteered. She says, Tom, I'll go with you. And at first I said no, but then I said, no, yeah, I'd love for you to go with me. I want you to hold my hand.
Oh, my gosh, I love it.
So she did go with me, and our client showed up as well. And when I walked into the judge's chambers, big smile on his face, and I'm all about smiles.
Right.
Smiling is the universal language.
Yep.
I don't care where you are, strangers on a street or in a restaurant
Correct.
or a judge, a big smile goes a long, long
Absolutely.
way. Cashiers, you name it, I'm all about it. And he's got a big smile. I got a big smile. The very first thing he says to me, he says, Tom, thanks for taking care of Bill. He said, I sent him to you to do some estate planning for him. So here's a judge who's sending
thanking you.
Yeah, thanking me for sending. He sent a client to me. I took very good care of that client, thanking me for that. And so the judge had some questions about what we were doing, why we were doing it, mostly why was it taking so long. Mm-hmm. And our client was there and giving some very honest and straightforward questions. And it all went, perfectly well. At the end of the day, my client goes, hey, Judge, by the way, I voted for you. That goes a long way.
Oh, good.
But what was nice about it was having Alexis there, who really does most of our new probates now. It was really her first time to meet the probate judge face to face. Of course, her names are all these pleadings.
Yeah.
And so Alexis and the probate judge are just having the most pleasant conversation.
I love it.
Yeah. And by the way, at least one more thing about it was that when we came into the courtroom, I introduced, here's my client.
Right.
I'm attorney Tom Olsen. This is Alexis Richards. And Alexis is not really sure where she should go. And the judge goes, you're a lawyer. You can pass the bar.
Ah. Oh, that's great.
Which means that between the gallery and where the lawyers and plaintiffs and defendants sit, there is a fence. And there's a gate there, and you don't go past that unless you're a lawyer or one of the parties. And I'd forgotten that literally is what means pass the bar. She came past the bar and sat it up at the table where the lawyers sit.
And so tell me, you introduced her as attorney Alexis Richards?
I did.
Okay, and then that's when the judge quickly said she can stand next to you.
Come forward, pass the bar.
Mm-hmm. I love it.
So it turned out to be a pleasant experience. And
for both of you, right?
For both of us. And as in a lot of things in life, you get anxious and worried and concerned, and when it actually gets to the moment that you're concerned about, things are a lot easier and better than you might have ever expected.
I'm so happy for both of you that it turned into a positive experience.
As is true in a lot of things in life.